Now, one of the biggest differences between being what I call an ordinary entrepreneur, I don't mean that in a derogatory way, but being an entrepreneur and being an inspired entrepreneur, is that the core mindset of many entrepreneurs, and it's a great mindset to have, is to look at, well, where's the market, where's the gap, what's hot, what can I make money out of? And that's wonderful, and many people are very successful in doing that. What I find also is that it leads people often into starting businesses that really aren't aligned with who they are, because they're looking at the market and what the market wants rather than what they really want to be doing. And secondly, I see a lot of people actually doing that, but then feeling quite unfulfilled when they've done it, even though they create some material success. It doesn't actually really engage them on a deeper level and fulfill them. So to me, the difference between that and being an inspired entrepreneur is that an inspired entrepreneur, their starting point is to look inside and go, what's in me that I want to bring out into the world? What's burning in my heart rather than what's hot in the market? It's a different approach, because the truth is, and I think this is really important to get, is the market for you and what you do doesn't necessarily exist before you start, but you create the market and the interest and the people that would love what you do by showing up and doing it. Now, I joke, but it's really true that, people weren't sending me letters saying, "Dear Nick, please write a book called The Work You Were Born to Do, because I'm stuck in my career and I need some inspiration and some new possibilities." I didn't get letters, asking me to write the book. When I started giving talks and I wrote the book, people resonated with it. And here, that's the key thing. You have to show up with what's in your heart. Find out what inspires you, what's really in your heart to do. And then as you show up and do that in the world, the people that you can serve and who love what you do begin to assemble. They're drawn to you. The more that you show up doing what is in your heart to do, people are drawn to you. So a lot of the program is teaching you how to show up in the world in an authentic and inspiring and in a strategic way, so that what you do is, stands a great chance of you finding the people that would really resonate with what you do and could really benefit from what you do. So that's the core difference that we'll also be looking at and helping you embrace, is how do you take what's in your heart to do that you can't actually necessarily at this first moment see a market for, but bring it out and create the market for doing it. So if that sounds of interest, I think you're going to enjoy the course.